In today's video, I will teach you how to create long shadows on text in Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea and either create a new project by selecting File, then New, or open an existing project by selecting File, then Open. Then set your canvas size and resolution according to your preference. And click Create. Now we're going to add the text. Start by selecting the text tool from the toolbar on the left side. Then click on the canvas and type your desired text. Then adjust the font, size, and color of your text using the options in the top menu bar. Then position the text on the canvas where you want the shadow to appear. In the Layers panel, right-click on the text layer and select Duplicate Layer. Then rename the duplicated layer to something like Shadow to keep things organized. And make sure the shadow layer is below the original text layer in the Layers panel. Now we're going to create the long shadow effect. Hold the Control key or Command key on Mac and press Alt-Shift-T repeatedly. Each time you do this, it will duplicate the shadow layer and continue moving it in the same direction, creating an effect of a long shadow. Repeat the step as many times as needed to extend the shadow to the desired length. And once you're happy with the length of the shadow, select all shadow layers in the Layers panel by holding Shift and clicking each one. Now right-click and choose Merge Layers to combine them into a single shadow layer. Now adjust the opacity of the shadow layer if you want a softer look by lowering the opacity slider in the Layers panel. And once you're happy with the result, save your project as a PSD to retain all layers by going to File, then Save as PSD. And to export your project as an image, go to File, then Export As, then choose the desired file format like PNG or JPEG. Now you've successfully created a long shadow effect on your text in Photopea, giving it a modern and dynamic look. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.